Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, you're not. We have some ugly weather right at the moment now. It's not raining, but it's been raining basically since last night. Had to drain the pool a couple times because it was getting up to the concrete level. Right now we're good. The poor puppies haven't been out much because it's raining, but we're gonna go out in a little bit because we got this so-called break now. But what's the best thing to do when you have a rainy day like today? Yeah, put things together. So, just to give you a little background on this item, we have this vanity that Terry had bought like 3 months ago that's been sitting here in the bedroom on the floor in the way of everything. Good one, John. That was a good cough up a lung, whatever you have to do. Oh my God. Bad night drinking, John? So yeah, Terry bought this like 3 months ago and it's still sitting here. And we have all this crap that lays on the sink. Look, we got all this stuff for hair, eyes, lip, whatever the case may be. So we got this whole section. Then we have all this section over here of horse crap. No, I shouldn't say horse crap. That she stockpiles everywhere. We got it here. The trailer is full of it too. So we have this little tiny sink in the trailer that has all this beauty supply stuff on it. So I go in, I have a toothbrush, I have my 2 things of medicine, and then I have, what else do I have, John? That's it. Toothbrush, basically a toothbrush and my lousy hairbrush. So what I want to do, she's out shopping today, so I'm going to put this thing together, and hopefully it's not a mess like, remember the old Salters furniture you used to have to put together? It had all those like cogs and dowels and everything. So I'm hoping this is going to be a little bit easier and I can get it done before she gets home. Because she's probably out buying another, yeah, probably another item that I'll have to put together. But it's like, she loves to do do-it-yourself stuff, but it turns into DIYJ, which is do-it-yourself Jeff. So I'm gonna put this up on the tripod and give you a little brief look at what I'm doing. John, you're right in the construction way, buddy. What are you gonna do? Huh? You have to move. Buddy, you have to move. Come on. You got to move, buddy. Come on. Yeah, I'll move this over here so we can get a full view of it. How about that? Johnny, come on, you got to move, buddy. Come on, we don't know what we're up against here. Let's open up the box and see what's in here, okay? Excuse me, buddy. So far the wood doesn't look too bad. I don't know if you can see, what you can see here. I gotta look and. Yeah, it's actually got decent wood. It's always good to have decent wood. Terry doesn't like all my sick jokes most of the time, but that's what gets me going and keeps me going. So the best thing to do, like we did with the gazebo, is separate everything until we find some instructions. You know, that's 3 and 8. Throw all the trash in this one. Yeah, this looks like this is going to be a mess. I don't know if I'll get it done before she gets home. But I will try, as always. Be prepared and do your best like a good Boy Scout would. So I don't know how bad the weather is around everybody else's way, but again, like I was saying a few minutes ago, it's been ugly here. Absolutely ugly. The some kind of, I forget what they call it, some atmospheric weird stuff that goes on where the rain just comes down, the humidity's so high it comes down and just dumps till the clouds are basically empty. And as we know, prior to this was pretty dry, not crazy dry, but the water basically runs right off of everything so fast, and it's basically deadly. I have no idea what the hell that thing is. We'll keep that up there. But I think in probably, we've been here like 37 years. I think she's probably had 3 or 4 vanities. Oh, I don't need them anymore, so I'll get rid of it. Give it to some relative, and here we are again. It's just her and I, so I don't understand. Oh, that's the seat. We'll keep that aside. Excuse me, buddy. That's good, that's good. We still haven't run across, there's the instructions. should have brought my trusty knife like I do for fan mail. And slice this baby open. What's this got? Venetian blinds on it? Oh, legs. Nice. They're legs, John. They're slim like your legs, Johnny. That feels like wheel casters. Alright. So that looks like all this can get out of the way. Hey buddy, you're no help. So this is an iron CK vanity. I have no idea where she got it from. As always, we're going to start with step 1. And hopefully this is quick, Johnny. I brought, holy crap. Tools needed. This does have the cam and cog setup. Crap. So we got a trusty light here to try to take some of the shadows away. So we got first screw in. Let's get this one in. And again, remember when you're tightening into this so-called non-solid wood, this is like wood that they pour into a vat with a lot of glue. It's like fibrous and stuff. It's not that strong, so you don't want to over tighten it because then it'll strip the wood out. So then we're going to take the next one, put here, and the 2 screws. Stay with me, people. Stay with me. I would use my cordless drill on this, but I'm afraid that I do that and then I'll strip it out, even though I can set it differently on there. But for this, let's just do it by hand. Hence, that's why they gave us the trusty dandy screwdriver. But again, I'm not using that. But Terry would have eventually got to this, and she does do a good job of putting things together. It just takes her a little while. Okay, so we did deck 6. Now we go to step 2. We're going to go to 16. Well, there's another fine job done by Jeffrey Psycho Dad Ridgway. Hopefully she likes it when she gets home. This is where I had the issue with the screws pulled out, so I reset them and put in a little larger screw, and they held. Everything looks pretty good here. This plug, I'm going to figure that out next, and then we'll go from there. But either way, it came out pretty good. I'm happy. It took a little longer than I expected. We'll see what she likes, or if she likes it. Who's here, Johnny? Johnny, Mommy finally made it home. Go get her. Go get her. Where you go? Come. Oh, there you are.
Aww. Thank you.
What do you think?
That was nice of you.
Where the heck you been?
You know, I went shopping.
Yeah, but you've been gone for like 4.5, 5 hours.
We went out to dinner. Why? I didn't think you'd mind.
Well, I don't mind, but I was sitting here waiting.
Thank you.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It seems.
You can only pull that out so far.
Was it hard? Was it difficult?
Yeah, it was a pain in my ass. Is what it was.
Okay.
And you're gonna have to take the film off of that.
There were so many people out today. Oh my goodness.
So did you get me anything at Boss Cops? I know you always go to Boss Cops.
I asked you before I left if there was anything you wanted, and you said no. I said,
don't give the camera the mean face.
I said undershirts, any of that kind of thing.
No,
and
I'm good.
You said no, you didn't need anything.
Right.
You didn't want anything. I didn't get a lot.
I never need anything.
I didn't get a lot of stuff.
That looks
good. It was
good.
just nice to, see her again and go shopping.
Right. There you go. And there's the plug underneath that hangs down, so that'll plug in. You got a light right on the back of here. This drawer only opens so far. There's a stop on it. I screwed up one spot there.
You filmed you putting it together?
Yeah,
Aww.
I filmed it.
Well, you're being awful nice.
I'm always nice. I'm like husband of the year material. You know
that. So this is how you turn it on.
What?
See that right here, right there?
I guess.
Yeah.
It's not plugged in, but it's kind of neat though.
Right, we'll have to try
it was a pain in the butt though.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Oh, thank you. So, husband of the year award still in play?
Yeah, it was a pleasant surprise, hon.
Okay, good. Because it sat here for what, 3 months?
I was going to get to it.
I was going to get to it, but it sat right here. It was like a tripping hazard.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. That was a little not as much emotion as I was going to get, I thought. But either way, everybody have a great day and a good life. Husband of the year.